welcome back. It's me, Sushma.
It's me, Anika.
Today, we're going to be doing something epic. So we're going to be doing floating drawings. So let's get started. All we'll need for this trick is a plate. A glass plate, and it should be white because we're going to do something, and if it's not a white plate, your drawings and doodles are not going to be seen. You'll also need some pure water.
And you need some marker, your drawing marker and your writing board marker.
The whiteboard marker, expo markers. So let's get started. We're going to be doodling some drawings. And one more. Well, that's a cute figure. Anika is doing it. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that's a cute butterfly. And of course, you can't forget the eyes and the mouth. And she's coloring it, which is awesome. That's a pretty drawing, actually. Now, but before we pour the water and stuff, we're going to show you guys the pictures that we drew. So I drew a star and a little person.
I drew a flower and a butterfly.
So now what we're going to do is take our pure water and pour it slowly by slowly. So let's get started. Oh, wait. Like, we're not going to be like, pshoo, pshoo, just continuously, but a little by little. Okay, I'm going to do it from this angle. Oops, I think that was... Oh, yeah. Oh, the person.
The person.
Whoa. The person is flying.
In the air.
Yeah, in the air. Now we're going to wait until the water... The star came out so perfect. Look at that. And we're going to just a little bit slow and steady. Some pictures might not come out like this one. Do you know why that happens, guys? This happens because this happens like when they break apart, they don't work like this one, the flower, but like this one, the star is so clean and neat. That happens because, you know, like when you're coloring it, you have some white spaces, and when you pour the water, the white spaces doesn't really connect together, then they break. So when you're doing this project, you don't want to do anything wrong, you better not leave white spots. Like the one Anika did, she left a little white spot. Like just a teeny tiny, single tiny, just one dot it's fine. Nothing, it might not cause that big of a problem, but if you have a lot of spots everywhere, it might. And this star is pretty looking. Now we're going to make tattoos. That's going to be the epic part. I'm going to use this. You could use this.
I'm using the star. Whatever. I'm using this.
Oh, it came out so perfect, guys. OMG's Expo. Here we come. This is Jet Epic.
I just got this flower.
It is so awesome. Well, guys, I'm going to tell you guys why this happens. It happens, all of these stuff happens because the marker has less dents than the water. So that's why this happens. And this is so cool, guys. But it will come out because it's still Expo. So guys, this is our epic for today. And thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a tattoo thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Turn the notification bell. See you guys later. Bye. Tattoo.